What if individuality is not about being different, but about being socially produced? We often imagine individuality as freedom from society, but sociology tells a different story. The individual is not born in isolation. It is shaped through history, culture, and power. In pre-modern societies, identity was largely collective. Your tribe, religion, and family defined you. In the 14th century, Ibn Khaldun described how asabiyyah, group solidarity, formed the foundation of social life. The individual gained meaning through belonging. The rise of modernity changed this. With industrialization and urbanization, people moved away from tight-knit communities. In the 19th century, Émile Durkheim argued that modern societies shifted from mechanical solidarity to organic solidarity. We became more specialized, more distinct. Individuality expanded, but so did isolation. At the same time, Max Weber warned of rationalization. Bureaucracy and capitalism promised freedom, yet trapped individuals in what he called the iron cage. Individuality was celebrated rhetorically, but structurally constrained. In the 20th century, George Herbert Mead showed that the self emerges through interaction. Even our most personal traits are shaped by the generalized other. We become individuals through society, not against it. Later, Michel Foucault argued that modern power produces individuality. Institutions, schools, prisons, media don't just control us. They shape how we understand ourselves. The authentic self can be a product of discipline. In late modernity, Anthony Giddens described identity as a reflexive project. We are required to constantly choose who we are. Individuality becomes an obligation. You must be unique. You must stand out. But if everyone must be unique, is uniqueness still unique? Contemporary sociologist Zygmunt Bauman called this liquid modernity. Identities are flexible, temporary, and fragile. Individuality feels liberating, but also unstable. Muslim sociologist Ali Shariati critiqued blind imitation, what he called Westoxification in cultural terms. He argued that true individuality requires conscious choice rooted in moral awareness, not passive consumption of trends. So here's the paradox. Individuality promises freedom, but it is always shaped by structure. It feels personal, but it is socially constructed. It seems natural, but it has a history. The real question is not, how can I be different? The question is, who benefits from the way I define myself? If this challenged the way you think about being yourself, subscribe and join this channel where we unpack identity, society, and meaning, one idea at a time.